Hey, flash. Stop the gun. Huh? Give me a gun. Go ahead. Get the handgun. Y'all, get down here. Ready? Come on, help. Give me handguns. Break this one. Give me all that. I'm kicking on your yard right now. Come on. Get the foot. Let me get it over here. There we go. Come on, kid. Open the back door.
Yes, on Shady Grove, protecting your welfare.
Yep, marked it. They split up. Currently one running, 71 brawling. Fence open to your left. Use caution going in. They're going to jump the fence. Alright, so they're jumping the fence over to the next building now.
It's going to be the third house in.
One subject is trying to hide himself within a trash can. And there is still one subject in the garbage can.